Discover the secrets of Korean healthy eating. The Korean diet is renowned for its emphasis on vegetables, which are integral to its dishes. This not only makes the cuisine rich in fiber, but also ensures it remains low in fat, offering a healthful balance that supports digestive health and weight management. Kimchi, a quintessential element of Korean meals, is a testament to the cuisine's health benefits. This fermented cabbage is not only a flavor powerhouse, but also aids in digestion and boosts the immune system, thanks to its probiotic content. Bulgogi, a beloved Korean dish, showcases the cuisine's lean approach to meat. Typically prepared with thin slices of lean beef, it provides a protein-rich meal that's lower in fat. This makes bulgogi an excellent choice for those looking to maintain muscle mass without consuming excess fat. Seaweed, often overlooked in Western diets, is a staple in Korean cuisine, particularly in dishes like kimbap. It's a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins such as A, C, and E, and minerals like iodine, contributing to thyroid health and overall well-being. Doenjang, a fermented soybean paste, is another cornerstone of Korean cuisine, celebrated for its depth of flavor and health benefits. Rich in probiotics, it supports gut health, aiding in digestion and bolstering the body's immune system. Korean meals are renowned for their variety of side dishes, which inherently encourages smaller portions of each item. This practice not only allows for a delightful exploration of flavors, but also promotes a balanced approach to eating, ensuring that meals are both satisfying and nutritionally diverse. Among the stars of Korean cuisine is Bibimbap, a vibrant mixed rice dish that is as nourishing as it is colorful. Packed with a rainbow of vegetables, this dish is a testament to the importance of incorporating diverse nutrients into our diet, showcasing the beauty of eating the rainbow. Fish, a staple protein source in Korean dishes, brings more than just flavor to the table. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, it supports heart health, making it a smart choice for those looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle. The inclusion of fish across various dishes highlights the cuisine's commitment to well-being. Tofu, often underestimated, plays a crucial role in Korean cooking. Its versatility and high protein content make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to boost their protein intake without the added fat. Plus, its calcium content is a boon for bone health, proving that this humble ingredient is a powerhouse of nutrition. Gochujang, the fiery red chili paste that's a hallmark of Korean cuisine, does more than add a kick to dishes. Its capsaicin content has the potential to boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. This ingredient exemplifies the thoughtful balance in Korean cooking, where flavor and health benefits go hand in hand. Barley tea, a staple in Korean culture, is not just a comforting beverage but a health elixir. Its rich antioxidants and digestive benefits make it a perfect drink to soothe the stomach and cleanse the body. Cooking methods in Korean cuisine emphasize health without sacrificing flavor. By using minimal oil, dishes retain their natural goodness and taste, while ensuring that the calorie count stays low, making it an excellent approach for healthy eating. Garlic, ginger, and green onions aren't just flavor enhancers in Korean dishes, they're potent anti-inflammatory agents. Their regular inclusion in meals contributes to reducing inflammation in the body, offering a delicious way to combat chronic diseases. Ginseng stands out in Korean cuisine for its remarkable health benefits. Revered for boosting energy levels and enhancing immune function, it's a natural remedy that has been embraced for centuries, proving the power of traditional foods in maintaining vitality. Japchae, a delightful dish made with sweet potato noodles, offers more than just taste. It serves as a gluten-free option that's rich in vitamins, making it a nutritious choice for those seeking variety in their diet without the gluten. Persimmons, cherished in Korea, are not only a delightful treat but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in fiber and loaded with vitamins A and C, they support digestive health and bolster the immune system. Korean cuisine's emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients plays a crucial role in its health benefits. This approach ensures meals are packed with the highest nutrient content, supporting a diet that's as nourishing as it is delicious. Porridge, a comforting Korean breakfast option, is made from nutritious grains like brown rice or beans. This high-fiber meal kickstarts the day on a healthy note, promoting sustained energy levels and digestive wellness. Temple cuisine in Korea offers a unique, entirely plant-based dining experience. It reflects deep principles of mindfulness and health, ensuring meals are not only kind to the body but also to the environment. Mulberries, often enjoyed in Korea, are celebrated for their health benefits. These berries are packed with antioxidants and vitamins, promoting skin health and providing a sweet, nutritious snack or dessert option. Dakganjeong is a delightful spicy chicken dish that captivates with its crispy texture and fiery flavor. Opting for skinless chicken pieces not only elevates the health quotient, but also ensures a guilt-free indulgence in this savory treat. Sweet potatoes are a staple in Korean cuisine, cherished for their natural sweetness and nutritional benefits. Rich in fiber, vitamins A and C, they offer a wholesome alternative to regular potatoes, enhancing meals with their vibrant color and flavor. Nuts and seeds are the unsung heroes of Korean snacks and dishes. These tiny powerhouses pack a punch of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them an essential part of a balanced diet that supports heart health and digestion. Water kimchi stands out as a gentler version of its traditional counterpart, offering a refreshing taste with the added benefits of hydration and probiotics. This less spicy kimchi variant is perfect for those seeking milder flavors while nurturing their gut health. Makgeolli, Korea's traditional rice wine, embodies the essence of fermentation at its finest. This milky beverage is not only cherished for its unique taste, but also for the beneficial bacteria it harbors, contributing to a happy and healthy gut. A typical Korean breakfast sets the tone for a day filled with nutritious choices. Starting with a bowl of soup not only promotes hydration, but also ensures a feeling of fullness, reducing the urge for mid-morning snacks. Korean pear juice is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a traditional remedy for hangovers, packed with antioxidants. Its natural properties help in detoxifying the body, making it a smart choice for health-conscious individuals. Acorn jelly, a unique component of Korean cuisine, stands out for its low-calorie profile and rich mineral content. This delicately flavored jelly is a testament to the balance and nutritional wisdom inherent in Korean food choices. Chrysanthemum tea is a beloved beverage, revered not just for its floral aroma, but also for its detoxifying benefits. Consuming this tea is a delightful way to cleanse the body while enjoying a serene tea experience. Samgyeopsal, a comforting ginseng chicken soup, is more than a dish. It's a bowl of wellness. Believed to restore vitality, this soup encapsulates the essence of Korean cuisine, where food is medicine and a source of healing.